The homeowners loved this home's views, but not the low ceilings, awkward chopped up spaces, and high utility bills. The team demolished 75% of the home's removed 500 cubic yards of contaminated soil, leaving them freedom to incorporate many desired amenities. The team rewired the entire house and replaced electrical panels to accommodate an improved lighting scheme, generator, alarm, and automated blinds. They added a new fireplace, quartz countertops, kitchen appliances, interior doors, new sheetrock with kerfed jambs on all doors and windows, as well as new flooring throughout. The remodel transformed this house into a stunning and energy-efficient home that brings joy to the homeowners.